guys, we just got here to the river. It's down off over there, but there's like a little path down here that goes down to a beach down there. So we're gonna go ahead and try and catch some smallmouth or something. Smallmouth, there's some largemouth, maybe not as much though. Gonna try and catch catfish later today, but I don't know how well that's gonna work. Here's the river. There's a irrigation outlet right there, but let's see how this goes. Okay, so we've been fishing here for a while. What I'm using this little Texas rig sort of thing with a I just have a swivel so I can switch baits faster, because I don't know what really works here, but we'll see how this works. Okay, we've been fishing here for probably about 2 hours. Haven't had very much luck. I caught one decent sized smallmouth bass, but I might come back here some other time, try and catch some catfish. But I'm going to be heading out, so please leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later.